Hello, we're back at it again. I'm going to Vietnam in less than 24 hours, but right now I have nothing packed. Let's make some system here because it's gonna be all over the place if I don't make any system. Okay, first let's go pack the toiletries. I don't even know how to say that word.
Toiletries.
Before anything else, I need to wash my hair, so I'm taking off my jewelries and I'm oiling my hair and let it sit while I pack. These are the stuff from the Phuket trip, so if you haven't watched that, go watch that video later. I'm just gonna unpack and see what's left from the trip, and if I need to refill anything, I'll just do it now. I got my shower and hair stuff all set, but I still have to pack my makeup and skincare, and I would also love to clean this makeup brush bag because look at that, it's yucky. I also have to clean my makeup brush as well, so yeah, I'm gonna go do that. So a little update, it is currently 10 p.m. I have washed all my makeup brushes and packed my, you know, makeup and skincare and all that stuff, and now I have a meeting in 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go hop in the shower real fast, and after the meeting I'm gonna come back again. I'm not gonna fucking sleep today. I mean, I will, but it's just exaggeration, but you know what I mean. You guys, I just realized how big of a crisis I am in right now. I have all the bottoms, but I have no top because what I usually wear is a tank top because I live in Thailand and it's hot all year long, and all I have is some ugly, no, I wouldn't say it's ugly, but it doesn't really go with the bottoms I have. So now I'm like, oh, I have nothing left in my closet, but I have like the carry-on up there, which I remember that I've put some clothes that I don't really wear in there, so that is like my last hope. I really hope that there are warm clothes up there because in Vietnam right now it's about like 10 to 20 something Celsius, so I think it'll be a good idea to bring something a little warm. So the only useful thing that I pulled out of this whole carry-on is another jacket. I'm really trying to be positive right now, but I'm a little bit overwhelmed and I'm really sleepy. Like, I'm talking with my eyes closed right now. I don't even know if what I'm saying are making sense or not, but I'm just saying stuff. You guys, I found 2 more stuff. I got 2 of these, but it smells kind of, you know, like because like it's kept in a closed space. I kind of want to wash it, but I'm afraid that if I wash it like right now, it's almost 1 a.m. right now, it's not gonna be dried by the time I leave, so I'm just gonna shake it off a little bit and maybe like put some perfume on later. At least I have 2 more warmer clothes. Okay, so I have a good idea to like show you my clothes while I'm like actually packing. Okay, first I have this skirt right here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to wear it or not because I think it could be a little too cold to be wearing this, but you know, just in case. I also have this very long skirt, but it's really cute. And here I have some pants. I have this basic black leggings. I also have this very colorful pants right here. Like, I think it suits Vietnam so much and it will look so good in pictures, but the fabric is kind of, you know, better. Like, it's more suitable for hot weather. So if I actually want to wear it and if it's cold, I can wear a black legging under and I think it will still work. And the last one is this brown, like it's like a yoga pants. It's like a flared legging. It is really comfortable, but it is pretty long, but it's cute. So I'm just gonna pack that just in case again. I also have these two for, you know, PJs, but I'm starting to think if I should only bring one because I feel like I'm kind of overpacking right now. Let's move on to the tops. First, I have this, you know, just a basic, you know, what is it called? Guys, it is currently 1 a.m. and my brain is not braining anymore. Oh, just a normal long sleeve. And I have another one, which is pretty much the same, except this one is actually a, what is it called? A bodysuit. Yeah, so this one will be more like sleek to the body, but this one will be like a little more, you know, like flowing and comfy. I also have a few tank tops for, like, you know, when sleeping. If it gets actually really cold, I'll just wear a jacket on top of it. I'm also bringing this purple sweater. It is actually kind of warm. I remember wearing this and being really warm. I wore this in California during winter, so it'll be fine. I'll be fine in Vietnam wearing this. And the last one is this thingy. Like, I can wear it as like a dress-ish. And I really want to bring this one as well because like it's white, you know? But I don't know if it's gonna fit in my bag or not because like it's already so full. I feel like this one will be really good if it's raining because it got the hood too. You know what? I think I can make it happen. So a quick review. This one is just like a basic kind of like yoga jacket, which I really love because it got, you know, pockets inside and outside, and it's not that thick. See the difference? This is why you need a vacuum bag. It is so essential when packing, especially if you're extra like me. That is everything I'm gonna pack for tonight. It is 20 minutes to 2 a.m. and I can't anymore. So I made a list of what I'm gonna pack tomorrow. I haven't packed my underwear, socks, and makeup brush and all the, like, you know, little stuff. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But right now, I'll need to fix my carry-on's wheel because it is broken from the Phuket trip. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this wheel is like so chipped away. It doesn't have any rubber on it anymore. So I bought this kind of thing that probably will help with the wheel situation. I'm supposed to order 2 of these because, you know, it has 8 wheels, but for some reason I thought it only had 4 wheels because, like, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, I made a mistake. So basically it's just a silicone that you put over your wheels like this. Since I don't have enough for every wheel, I'm just gonna put this thing on like the wheel that is like really, really broken. Okay, let's put it to a test. I think it actually works better without the silicone on because, like, you know, silicone and friction. But anyways, I'll just keep it on for now and put whatever I have packed in my carry-on for now. So I'm almost done with packing. I've showered, I packed my makeup. That's like the most important thing in this trip. Anyways, I am almost done with packing, and now let's do a little fit check. I'm wearing this tank top, right, with this very cute necklace and pants with a belt on. So it's actually pretty hot here right now.
It's about 32 degrees in Bangkok.
What's the weather like in Hanoi?
It's currently cloudy and 25 degrees in Hanoi, Vietnam.
Yeah, so it's about like 10 Celsius less than here. So when I get there, if it's cold, I'll just wear this one over. And there we got it, our fit for the first day and ready to fly. So I'm pretty much ready to close my luggage. So I have 2 bags of like clothes there and a coat and some underwear and socks. I have a jewelry box right here and a plastic bag just in case like something gets wet or something like that. And the shower stuff and makeup and skincare. I also packed some mask because in Hanoi the dust situation is supposed to be bad there, so I packed some masks just in case. Some charger. I've got my camera charger, my laptop charger. I wasn't gonna bring any work to Vietnam, but then like no, I just can't. There's still some more to do, so I gotta bring my laptop. So yeah, here's my laptop charger and here's my power bank charger. And I will also bring a extra vacuum bag just in case. I am also downloading a currency converter and some like Google Translate and, you know, the photo translate. Okay you guys, so right now I'm in Vietnam already. This is my 2nd day actually, because yesterday I was so running out of time, so I didn't get to finish what I packed to Vietnam, so I'm gonna finish it here. Okay, this shit is heavy as fuck. Like, my suitcase is 9 kg and I don't even know how much this weighs. But anyways, first I have a jacket because I was wearing a tank top yesterday, and so just in case I'm cold I have a jacket. And some souvenir from Thailand, and umbrella because it just randomly rains here sometimes, so I brought one just in case, but it rained here yesterday and I didn't use it anyways. I just used the jacket. And I have a laptop and an iPad because I have to work. And here I have a slipper, a bag with, you know, some girls' necessities. I got some hand cream, some lipstick, a lip balm, and a tissue. And over here I have like a secret compartment, a secret space to put like the important stuff. So I have here my wallet, which inside has cash. And I also have my AirPods with my wallet. So that was pretty much what I packed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for my Vietnam vlog. I'm gonna vlog so much, you guys. So thank you. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.